Hi, I'm Rick Osorio. I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to do this matrix. First off, what you want to do is you want to download a program called Open Office. So go to Google, Open Office, and then click on the first one, which is Apache Open Office. Open Office is like Microsoft Office, where it gives you their version of Microsoft Word, their version of Microsoft PowerPoint, their version of Microsoft Excel. What I like about Apache is it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. It's open source. I've been using this program for over 10 years now. Love it. So you will go ahead and click it, and then download full installation. Once you do that, and you download it to your computer, it gives you these options right here. Open Office Base, Open Office Calc, Draw, Impress, Math, Writer. The one that you want to select is Open Office Impress. This is like Microsoft PowerPoint. So we'll click on that. And then from here, it brings you up this screen right here. All you need to do is click Next, Next, Create. Boom, there it is. So from here, what we do is we'll go up here to the title, type in platoon, .3008. And then what I like to do is I like to have this in that stencil print that makes it look like military style. So I'll highlight that, go over here to the font, and find stencil. Which is right there. Click stencil. Boom, just brought it up like that. So once you're done with that, you click on the lower half here where it says click to add text. From there, you want to go to where it says insert, and then go to picture from file and click that. And then you see all the little squares of all the recruits. Well, those are all, let me pick this one, for example. There, it brings it up. Now what you want to do here is then you want to you want to downsize it. There we go. Like that. And then drag it over here to the corner. Now what I do is I've got it so I've got 8 across. I've got 8 across and 4 down. So this whole piece right here will hold 32 recruits, is what I've got. Now with these squares, what I've done is I've taken them right off of Facebook and I stored them right here on my desktop. So there they all are right there. And that's where I access them all from. And then obviously the people who can't create or don't know how to create them, they just give me their last name. I go to this program right there, show your colors, usmc.colomtns.com, which brings this up. And I go ahead and create their square for them and then save it to my desktop. So going back to the program here, so we're back on here, and then when I'm done adding, I just click off of it so it stays like that versus looking like that. So I just click off of it like that. And then what I do is I save it and then save it to whatever name you want. And then after I'm done with that, I go to this PDF right here. And the reason why I do that is because this, like this, will not save to Facebook in the format that it's in. What I have to do is I have to get it over to a JPEG format so Facebook will recognize it. So in order to do that, I have to use PDF, which is the middleman. So I'll go ahead and click PDF, and it will say, you know, save as a PDF file. And I'll just write here, platoon PLT 3008, and then save. There. So now it's saved. So I can get out of this program, and then I go to this program right here, which is pdf2jpg.net. And what this does is, this is an online program, so you have to have internet access to use it. This will take my PDF file, which I just created, and turn it over into a picture format, which is the JPG format that Facebook will recognize and post. So from here, it will say choose PDF file. So I'll choose that. And then I will find the file that I have, which is right there, platoon 3008. Click it. And there it is. And now it will say convert PDF to JPG. Click that. It's doing its business. There, it's done. Now what I do here is I download this to my desktop on my computer. And there, it's done. So I'll go ahead and exit out of this. And there it is right there as a picture or JPEG format. Boom, right there. Facebook will pick that up, no problem. So then once I get to that, I go back over to Facebook and, you know, add it to the page, you know, that we're on. Like, for example, this one is this one here. You know, from here, I'm sure you know what to do. Photo, like that. And then click on, find the, there it is right there, PLT. Boom. There, just down, it's downloading. There it is. You know, write what you need to say up here, and then post. And then it'll be posted to the Facebook page. And then what I do is when I go ahead and continue to add people, I will just go ahead and go back to my saved program here. Go up here to insert, picture from file. Click on that one. You know, another recruit. There it is. Size it down. And then I'll bring it over to my original and size it up so it matches. And sometimes I'll go like this with it too. So that way I can get the perfect, you know, vertical and horizontal. So they're all even. And then bring that up, you know, next to it. And then it's got to come in a little bit here. You know, get it as close as possible. There we go. Boom. There. Now they're matching. And then same thing. Then I'm going to come back up here, click save. And then PLT 3008. Save. And then PDF. I'm just going to use the same file and I'm just going to write over it. So I'm just going to click save on that. And it says, do you want to replace it? Yes. Boom, done. And then I go back to the internet to convert PDF to JPG and choose file, PLT 3008, convert, download, it's downloading, done. And then I'll go back to Facebook you know, go back to the original picture that you had. You know, like for example, mine, right, one I did for my platoon right here. Click the edit, and it gives you right there option to add a new picture. And then I'll go and find my platoon with the 2 instead of the 1. So you know there's 2 there. Click that. It it adds it right there. Then I'll delete this one and delete this one, you know, your old ones, and so that way only your new one shows. And then that's how I keep updating it over and over and over again. So I hope this helps in explaining what to do. If I'm a little wobbly here on the videoing, I apologize. It's the first time I've ever done this like this. And I can't wait to see your product when you start it. What I plan on doing with mine is when mine is all done, I'm going to turn it into a flag that it can fly for graduate when we're down at Paris Island for graduation. That's what my intentions are with this. So best of luck, and we'll be in touch. Thanks. Bye.